2022. Cool. So we talked about walking.
Walking, foot articulation, and weight transfer, bringing that quality into our dance here.
So we started off tapping a foot out to the side so that we felt that we had 100% weight in one foot, none in the other, and then we pushed over to that other foot, activating the sending foot to push against this one and complete that weight transfer. I had 2 active feet, 2 active legs, one pushing, the other resisting to make that movement really successful. We went all the way 10, 20, 30, 40, felt what 50, 50 was like 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then all the way through. We then did that forward and back.
Same thing forward and back, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, checked it, pushed through, and then back the other way. Then we developed that into walks across the floor.
Across the floor. And we wanted you to think about that duck on the water idea, right? The duck being the still part on top, the legs underneath as we went through. So utilizing pressure from the floor to really control and deliver the center to the foot at one consistent speed. If you can do that, you can add any kind of rhythm, accent, tick with how you're doing things. But we need that fundamental skill of being able to transfer the weight safely, effectively, and quietly foot to foot in order to do any of the rest of that.
And for your home practice, we did 4 beats first across the floor for one step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we graduated to 2 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and eventually you could work that back to single. Yeah.
Right. And really thinking about rolling through the foot. We talked about a heel strike totally works. It's easiest kind of to feel this as a toe strike, striking a little bit on the outside edge of that toe, rolling through some of the minutiae of that, and then making sure as we go through, our legs swing from foot to foot. Once my weight arrives over one part of the foot, once it's over like the back part of my heel, I have the time it takes for my weight to transfer from heel to toe to swing that leg before I transfer through.
Then we matched that movement with a partner here in extension, stretch, trying to do everything we did alone, but while connected.
All of that through across the floor. We wanted you to think sort of like one person's the dog and the other person's the one holding the leash, and that's going to change based on who's going forward and who's going backward.
So right now Joel is the dog. Yeah.
Right.
And then I'm the dog.
Yes. Cool. Then just bring that into your basics. Take every step with quality, and we'll improve everything.